Te Awhi Clean. 95% of New Zealand's 1.6 million dwellings have electric or gas ovens. A dirty oven not only causes issues with cooking, but it becomes a serious safety risk for you and your home. Hygiene is important. Cooked food can leave grease and grime caked to the inside of your oven. Burnt carbon particles can cause food to taste overcooked and leave a bad taste in your mouth. Safety matters. Food debris can burn up and cause your oven to fill with smoke. Grease-coated grills will smoke when used and may catch fire. Maintenance matters. Grease can build up around your oven, fan blades and motor, making them ineffective. Presentation counts. Professional cleaning can restore even the grimiest, greasiest oven near to showroom condition. Shh! Is there grease or grime in your oven? Does your oven smoke? Is your oven slow to heat up? Does your oven need some tender love and care? If yes, get Te Awhi Clean. We use eco-friendly cleaning products including cloths, utensils, liquid soap, solid soap and spray foams. We clean surfaces using techniques that eliminate scratching and conserves cleaning fluids. Te Awhi Clean staff are certified cleaning specialists and undergo annual background checks. We ensure completion of work within 24 hours from inquiry with a 100% money-back guarantee. So call now and book an appointment with 0800 Te Awhi Clean.